Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to back up your WordPress website so you never lose your valuable data. Now before we start, I have to notify you that a lot of the steps we're gonna do in this video require a premium subscription that costs $40 in WordPress.com. Now I don't have this subscription myself, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow and listen to my instructions very carefully, you're gonna be able to take backup of WordPress website. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to install a backup plugin. And to do that, you have to access your WordPress account by going to WordPress.com and then enter in your account's credentials. After logging in, you're gonna be directed to your dashboard. After that, go to the sidebar right here and click on plugins. After that, go to the search bar and type in Updraft Plus right here and click on the loop to search for it. Now, like I said before, installing and upgrading plugins require a paid subscription in WordPress.com. So make sure you paid for the subscription. Now, after that, just click upgrade and activate and follow the prompts. Now, for the next step is to back up your site. Open the plugin settings, example settings, updrafts, plus backups, and then click Backup Now and select Files and Database and start the process. For the third step is manually backup via cPanel, and to do this, log into your hosting account and go to the File Manager and compress and download the WP Contents folder and export your database from PHPMyAdmin by selecting your database and clicking Export. After that, save and backup safely. And store backups on cloud platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and external drives. And automate backups weekly or monthly using plugin settings. For additional tips, always test your backup by restoring it to a staged environment and keep multiple backup copies for extra security. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.